Class 11. After set theory, our next topic is relation and function. It is in chapter 2. Now, in this chapter, first topic is Cartesian product of sets. It is the set of ordered pairs. Ordered pair is x comma y, right? So A cross B equal to set ordered pair x comma y. Here x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Let A equal to the set of elements P and Q. B equal to set of the elements A, B and C. Then A cross B, that is the Cartesian product of A and B. It is ordered pair of PA, PB, ordered pair of PC, QA, QB and QC. Right? There are some remarks. First, two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding elements are equal. Their first elements are equal and the second elements are also equal. It means there is a ordered pair. Suppose x, y equal to AB. This implies that x equal to A and y equal to B. It is the meaning of equal of ordered pairs. Second, if there are m elements in the set A and n elements in the set B, then m n elements are in A cross B. Third, if A or B is fine, any of the set is fine, then A cross B is also fine. And also, if A or B has infinite element, then A cross B also has infinite elements. Right? Students, now come on the exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Here, x upon 3 plus 1 minus 5 minus 2 by 3 equal to 5 upon 3 and 1 by 3. Find x and y. You see, the ordered pairs are equal. Therefore, x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 5 upon 3. X upon 3 equal to 5 upon 3 minus 1. Or it is 2 by 3. 3 cancels. The value of x is 2. Same as y minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. Shift this term this side, so y equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, or it is 3 by 3, y equal to 1. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Question number 2. It is, if the set A has 3 elements and the set B is 3, 4, 5, find the number of elements in A cross B. Right? See, number of elements in set A equal to 3. Therefore, NA equal to 3. Set B has element 3, 4, 5 which are 3. Therefore, NA equal to 3. Now, NA cross B is number of elements in the set A cross B equal to NA cross NB. It is 3 cross 3 into 3 or it is 9. So, number of elements in A cross B equal to 9. Question number 3. In this question, set G equal to 7, 8, set H 5, 4, 2. Find GH and H cross G. G cross H and H cross G. In the serial solution, G cross H. It is the set of ordered pair of element G and H. So 7, 5 is one of the ordered pair, 7, 4 second ordered pair, 7, 2 is second order. 8, 5 next ordered pair, 8, 4, then 8, 2. G cross H. To find H cross G, we can change the order pair, right? So that is 5 7 4 7 2 7 G 5 8 4 8 and 2 8. Here GH is not equal to H cross G. G cross H is not equal to H cross G. Now student, next question, question number 6. Here A cross B is ordered pair AX, AY, BX, BY. Find A and B. The set A is the first elements of the ordered pair A cross B. So it is A and B. Set B is the second element of the ordered pair A cross B. It is X and Y. Right. Now question number 7. Let A equal to 1 2. B is 1 2 3 4. C is 5 6. D is 5 6 7 8. Verify that A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Student C, there is no element is common in B and C, so A intersection C equal to 5. Now left hand side, it is A cross B intersection C. B intersection C is 5, A cross 5 equal to 5. Now RHS, it is A cross B intersection A cross C. Now find A cross B. A cross B is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4. Then find A cross C. A cross C is 1 5, 1 6, 2 5, 2 6. Now see, no element is common in A cross B and A cross C. Right? Therefore, A cross B intersection A cross C equal to 5 and LHS equal to RHS. Now the student see the second part of question number 7. In this part, we will find A cross C and find B cross D. A cross C 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6. B cross D 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 8 3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8 4 5 4 6 4 7 4 8. Now see all the elements of the set A cross C is 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6 are also the element of B cross D. See 1 comma 5 is here, 1 comma 5 is here, 1 comma 6 is here, that is here, 2 comma 5 is here, 2 comma 5 is here, 2 comma 6, right, in A cross C and 2 comma 6 also in B cross D. So A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Student C, question number 8. In this question, let A is a set 1 comma 2. B is the set of element 3 comma 4. Write A cross B and how many elements will A cross B have? List them. So A cross B is the set of ordered pair of the elements A and the elements B. It is 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. Now number of elements in A cross B is and A cross B and A cross and B, or it is 2 elements in set A, 2 elements in set B, so it is 2 into 2 or it is 4. Question number 9. Let A and B be the two sets such that NA equal to 3 and NB equal to 2. If x, 1, y, 2, z, 1 are in A cross B, find A and B. where x, y, z are the distinct elements. So, see, x, y, z are the first elements of the ordered pair. So, they are the elements of the set A. Because ordered pair A cross B is considered here. Elements 1 and 2 are the elements of the set B because these are the second elements of the ordered pair. So set B equal to 1, 2 and this one is not repeated in the set.